How to use buttons on Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll teach you on how to use buttons on the Nintendo Switch. It's a really quick and easy process, so follow along. Setting up any Nintendo Switch controller and ensuring all the buttons work and are mapped to the specific actions is simple. First, connect the controller to your Switch wirelessly, and you can use the various controllers like the Pro controllers or the standard ones licensed, as well as from other manufacturers like Power A or 8-bit 2. Once connected, go to the home screen and access the controller settings. Here you can customize the aspects such as grip, order, and button mapping. Remember, this is optional, but ensure that the controller is properly detected and connected. By default, the input should work, allowing you to navigate to the menus in-game. And if you wish to customize further, assign actions to the button or disable the specific ones to avoid accidental presses. Save your changes and enjoy gaming with your customized controller. So this is basically on how to use the buttons on the Nintendo Switch. I hope this guide on using the buttons on the Nintendo Switch was helpful. So if you found this video to be useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.